welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, first of all, yes, we got married. I got married. I have gotten married since the last time that I saw you guys. I did one little video and I kind of told it at the end of the video, but this is the first time that I've actually been on camera and whatever since I got married, and I'm very excited about it, obviously. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys again and make sure that everybody know, because I am very, very excited. So anyways, this video today, though, is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. So I went in the Dollar Tree the other day. I was just randomly kind of shopping. I had some time to kill. And so I went in there, not looking for anything in particular, and I found some really neat stuff. So stick around, check out this video, see what you think. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and Dollar Tree DIYs. I have got all sorts of stuff coming up. I've got cleaning videos, decluttering videos. I have got organization videos. I have got you covered, okay? Anyways, all right, let's jump right in. Okay, so before we jump into the Dollar Tree stuff that I found, I did want to share something with you guys. And no, this video is not actually sponsored, but I did receive a smartwatch in the mail. And I wanted to share it with you guys because it's actually super cool and I really love it. And maybe you would like it. I don't know. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. No strings attached, whatever. Just honest, wanted to share my review of this watch with you guys. So check this out. Okay, guys, so this smartwatch is made by a company called AKUMAKA. Now, that is a different word to be able to say, but I literally looked it up to make sure I said it correct. AKUMAKA. Now, this watch is so stinking cute, first of all. Hello, like the color pink is absolutely perfect. The band that you see the watch with now is actually a magnetic band, but it also comes with a regular watch band and the charger. Look at how stinking cute this watch face is. Now, you can change that out. You can put your own pictures on there, or you can use the ones that come with the watch. Now, you connect your phone to this watch by using an app called decor. It is super simple to do. It's all through Bluetooth. I mean, it took like 2 seconds literally to connect it to my phone. I can now get my weather, my heart rate, my notifications for emails, text messages, Instagram, you name it. I literally get everything on this watch that I also get on my phone. It is so stinking cool and so incredibly convenient, you guys. And it just has like the swipe features. Like, I'm still learning it, obviously, because I didn't realize that was the end of the swiping. But it is all touch screen. You've got little control panel to do like quick little deals. Like, you can start and stop your music. You can go to the call setting, which has your contacts, the dial pad. The call logs from previous calls are on there. You have your weather. I mean, you name it, it's there. There's a spot to change the brightness, for heaven's sakes. There's also a spot to click if you have gotten water in your phone. So if you've gotten it wet, you can hit this and flip your watch to the side to drain through the speakers. It vibrates. So it literally will vibrate the water clean out of your watch. Like, how cool is that? It has a flashlight. I mean, it's just got a little bit of everything, and I just think it is so stinking cool. Now, this is the second watch that has been sent to me, as a matter of fact. The first one you guys never saw because it was okay, but there was really nothing special about it, and I just didn't feel the need to show it. This one is amazing. Go to the description box, check it out for yourself. Thank you so much to AKUMAKA for sending this watch and let me share it with you guys. If you would like a discount code, go to the description box. It is Jackie209. Okay, now we're ready. The first thing I wanted to share with you guys was the 2024 calendars. I got so excited. Oh my gosh. I never find calendars, like hardly ever do I find calendars. I had a lot of calendars sent to me after the tornado, so I have like accumulated several calendars, but I have never actually just found a box that had like a several in it. So I did pick up several. I brought them home. I may do some giveaways. I may just do some random Christmas presents. I don't know. But anyways, I did find the 2024 calendar. So check these out. Let's look. Okay, so first up was the farm life. How cute is that, first of all? Oh my gracious. This is what is on in the calendars or whatever. Really cute. Some duplicates of some that we have seen in the past years, though. Like this one we've seen before on one of the calendars, and also this one I've seen on one of the calendars. And maybe this one even. I don't know. Anyways, there's several of them on here that are like duplicates of ones we've seen in the past, but who cares? Whatever. These are still super cute. And yeah, the Farm Life 2024 12-month calendar. Now, I also got the locally grown. Super cute. This is what's on in the calendars. It's got some really cute stuff in there. Really cute. A Christmas one. I thought the Christmas one was really cute. And I love the rooster one, you guys. Oh my goodness. I've got to do a DIY with that one. I just love it. I actually think, I'm not going to tell you. I love it though. I love yeah. Anyways. All right. So we've also got Today is a Good Day. Really cute. Hang on. Let me show you the front first. I'm sorry about the glare. There's really nothing I can do about that. And then the back. Really cute. There's one on here I want to do for my best friend. I think she would love that one. But yes, some cute stuff in these calendars. And there were so many to choose from, you guys. So many different ones. Now, I'm just showing you all the different ones that they had. But there's bukus of calendars, okay? This one was A Beautiful Life. I thought that this one was so pretty. Check out these. So pretty. Yeah. Follow That Dream. Cute stuff. Some really like inspirational quotes and just really nice calendars this year. I am very impressed. Very impressed. Every Moment Matters. This one we have seen before. It's exactly the same as it was in the past years. It's got the same ones in it, but I like these. I just like these for different things because they've got some really nice sayings and stuff on it. So anyways, I've done that one. They had this one I thought was so cute. This is the Choose Joy. And it also comes with the small one, like the little pocket-sized calendar. But check out the ones in it. How cute and fun are these? Would these be not so fun for like a kid's room or a playroom or something like that? These would be so cute and they'd be so simple to make. Like frame several of them in Dollar Tree frames, for heaven's sakes. You could really make this, you could really make these cute right here. All right. There was also this one, Montage, No Matter What, Choose to Bloom. And it also has the pocket size in it as well. Oh, sorry guys. I'm so sorry. And this is what is in it. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. Like I said, I'm sorry about the glare. I mean, I don't really know what else to do. I guess I could have taken them out of the plastic, but I don't want to do that because I like to keep them, you know, nice and like protected until I get ready to use them. So anyways, all right. So there was also Floral Breeze. Really cute. Look at how stinking cute some of these are, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am loving these. So, so cute. And one more. Secret Garden. Now, I picked this one up because it had the butterflies on it, and my mama loves butterflies, but it's actually got some really cute ones in it as well. Really, really cute. Like, even the Christmas one, you guys, it's cute. Okay, so that was the 2024 calendars. We got those. Let's get that out of the way. I wanted to show y'all those first because I got so excited about those. There are like endless possibilities with these calendars. I mean, just endless possibilities. You can put them on everything if you want to. So anyways, there's just so many different DIYs that you can do with these calendars. They're so fun to have, and I got so excited that I found them myself. Anyways, all right, on to the next. Okay, so most of the rest of this is going to be like more like school supplies, office supply type stuff that I found that I thought was super neat and super cool for the kids. Like my daughter, I bought her several things and she's in high school. So this stuff was very, very cute. Okay, so anyways, but there was something else that I found that I got very excited about, and that was the all-purpose. This is supposed to be a dupe for a very expensive brand. Unfortunately, I do not know the name of the brand that it's supposed to be a dupe for, but yeah, found this at the Dollar Tree. All-purpose. It is peppermint sage. Smells wonderful. It is an all-purpose cleaner with plant-derived ingredients. So it cuts tough on grease and grime with a pleasant peppermint scent. Anyways, everybody has been raving over this stuff. It's going viral. I mean, it's wild. But anyway, so I bought it. I was going to try it out and see how well it works. It works fine. It's just like any other all-purpose cleaner to me, though. I have to be totally honest with you guys. It's just kind of, it's okay. I love my Mrs. Myers, and I'm going to stick with that. But this was a fun, like, little thing to find, like, little treasure to find. You know what I mean? I like doing that when I go to the Dollar Tree. I like digging for stuff that, I like to watch other people's hauls and see what Dollar Tree is putting out and what to look for. You know what I mean? I do. So I love finding, like, little needles in the haystack, you know, or however you say that, and then bringing it home, you're like, oh my gosh, I have one for myself now. You know what I mean? So I love that. All right, so on to the rest of this, and like I said, it's going to be mostly office supplies and like school supplies, but I thought the school supplies were fantastic this year. I'm talking about seriously, okay? So the first thing I picked up were these file folders. They are like little binders, 3-ring binders. Oh, not that one. I got Gracie Ray a leopard one. How cute is that pink and purple leopard, you guys? Oh my gosh, love this. I also got her the smiley face one. How cute is the smiley face one? Oh my goodness, too stinking cute. And also another like animal print one that I thought was really cute. The pink and the light pink. I love that. So I picked her up 3 of those. Let's see. I also for my little neighbor friend, she loves the animal print. The cow print. That's what I'm trying to say. So I found this little pin that had the cow print on it. How cute is that, first of all? Ah, too cute. And then also the little file folder. So yeah, grabbed those for my little neighbor friend. Her name is Paisley. Yeah, and so I'm going to be giving that to her before school starts. Now, let's see. What else do we have? I have picked up some notebooks. 2 cute notebooks. Different designs. They had all kinds of designs, you guys. All kinds of designs. I also picked up a composition book. And this one matches the leopard that is on the 3-ring binder. This one here matches that leopard. Let's see. I grabbed a file organizer. Now, I thought this was pretty neat. I got this for myself to put my marriage license in to keep up with it and just keep it safe and whatever. But I did grab this, and I thought it was pretty neat. It snaps. It's got a really good closure. I mean, it snaps. Like, it's pretty good quality. It's not cheap paper, you know, thin feeling or whatever. It actually feels like a good quality piece. So for $1.25, I'll buy this all day long. I think this was fantastic. I also grabbed another one of them for some other stuff that I have, some receipts and stuff that I'm going to be keeping up with. But this one is super cute. And it also has the little tab closure. And it says, all you need is love. Really cute. Love the designs, guys. I am so into these like geometric, and then also you guys know I love the animal print. So, but anyways, I just think they're coming up with some super cute stuff that's not like, most of the time the school supplies to me are real kiddish, like little kiddish. You know what I mean? Like puppy dogs and Care Bears and whatever. So this year when I was able to find stuff for my teenage children, I got excited. I was like, oh my gosh, this is great stuff. Speaking of children, I got one knocking on the door at the moment, so give me 1 second. Okay, so the last couple of things that I picked up were, I got me one of the pens like I got for Paisley. I think this pen is so cute. Oh, I love that pen. I also picked up some of these. I was needing some of these paper clips. Lord have mercy, I had to read it. I literally had to read what it said to think the word. Anyways, these paper clips, I was needing some paper clips, and so I thought those were darling, first of all. And then I found my daughter some of these mechanical pencils. Look how cute these are this year. Too cute. Love those. And then also these mechanical pencils. Look at how stinking cute those are. I got excited over the school supplies, you guys. I picked her up some coloring pencils as well. You can get stuff like this at the Dollar Tree all day long. So if you're needing some supplies for your kids for school, go to the Dollar Tree first. Because I'm telling you, they've got some cute stuff. Like, it doesn't look cheapy, and look how cute that is, guys. I mean, seriously, it is not like cheap or, I don't know. Some of it, yes, you're going to have some duds, but there's also some super duper treasures in the Dollar Tree as well. So go to the Dollar Tree, check them out. The last thing that I grabbed was a trash can for my daughter's room. Look at the size of this. $5. $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus. Yes, ma'am. So, anyways, they have got even stuff for your dorm room if you are needing supplies for college, for heaven's sake. So, seriously, go check out the Dollar Tree for all the supplies that you need for stuff like that. All right. Guys, that is it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I know this was like short and sweet, but I wanted to throw a video out here for you guys. And I had like a million things going on, but I found this stuff and I was like, I have to do a video on this. I have to make time. I have to show them this stuff because they really need to be like on the lookout for these supplies. I just think they're fantastic from the Dollar Tree. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.